11,128 miles on a 2019 Street Glide Special. It's got a few extras on it. LED headlight, LED front and rear, marker turns, black front axle caps, Vance and Hines full exhaust with the cross pipe. A little bit of wear on the finish. It's pretty much normal on the Vance and Hines or any of the ones that have that matte finish. Big exhaust tips. I don't know, they look like they might be 4-inch. You could cook a Cornish hen in that thing if you plugged one up. This definitely sounds throaty. Video doesn't even do it justice. It's blacked out, the vivid black. Really nice Street Glide Special. Heated grips. They added some really nice touring accessories to it, and it's got docking hardware. So if you're interested, come on in. These accessorized ones don't last very long. Take a test ride today.